The copy array is part of the drawing suite and can be found on the left-hand toolbar. Simply highlight the object you wish to do the copy array with, select the copy array. A dialog will open up. Here you can choose to copy it horizontally. You can specify the number of copies you wish to make. So if I want to have 5 of these across here, I will enter 4 here. I can set the spacing of this to whatever value I want, and you kind of get a preview of what's happening off to the side. I can also copy vertically. So if I want 4 up and down, I enter 3 here. So it's going to be the original row plus 3 copies of it. I can set the spacing to whatever I want. I can also set an indent here. So say I want to create a stagger. I can do this, and I can also make it alternating, which will make it kind of like a checkerboard pattern. Now, it can also do this such that I'm going to set this spacing to be half of this spacing, and this such that the copies will actually be overlapping. You'll see we get a really neat pattern out of this, or weave effect. You can have a lot of fun with copy array. The one thing that is unfortunate is that though you can work with this as a group, it is not editable. Often I find that I will just simply delete it and reconstruct it if it didn't work out to be what I wish. And this is copy array.